CVMC, EC, NMMC, Triple E, Unit 4, Vector Differentiation, Lesson 16, Problem 41. Problem 41. Determine whether a bar is equal to y square cos x plus z cube I bar plus 2y sin x minus 4 j bar plus 3x z square plus 2 k bar is a conservative vector field. If so, find the scalar potential. 5. Also find the work done in moving the particle from 0, 1, minus 1 to pi by 2, minus 1, 2. Solution. Given a bar is equal to y square cos x plus z cube I bar plus 2y sin x minus 4 into j bar plus 3x z square plus 2 to k bar. Conservative means irrotational. Conservative vector means irrotational vector. So del cross F bar determinant I bar, j bar, k bar. First row. Second row. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Third row. I bar, j bar, k bar coefficients of F bar. Y square cos x plus z cube 2y sin x minus 4 3x z square plus 2. So expanding I bar dou by deleting row and column dou by dou y of 3x z square plus 2 minus dou by dou z of 2y sin x minus 4 minus j bar deleting the row and column dou by dou x of 3x z square plus 2 minus dou by dou z of y square cos x plus z cube plus k bar deleting third row third column dou by dou x of 2y sin x minus 4 minus dou by dou y of y square cos x plus z cube is equal to I bar partial derivative with respect to y 3x z square constant 2 constant derivative 0. Partial derivative with respect to z 2y sin x 4 constant derivative 0 minus j bar partial derivative with respect to x derivative 1, so 3z square 2 derivative 0 minus partial derivative with respect to z y square cos x is constant derivative 0 z cube derivative 3z square plus k bar into derivative with respect to x 2y constant sin x derivative cos x 4 derivative 0 minus partial derivative with respect to y cos x constant y square derivative 2y cos x z cube derivative 0, nothing but cancel we get 0. So del cross f bar is equal to 0. Therefore f bar is a conservative vector field. A conservative vector field. Conservative vector field. Conservative vector field. In case of conservative vector field, a bar can be expressed as the gradient of scalar potential phi, that is f bar is equal to del phi. F bar is equal to del phi is equal to f bar. Del phi definition: I bar dou phi by dou x plus j bar dou phi by dou y plus k bar dou phi by dou z is equal to f bar y square cos x plus z cube into I bar plus 2y sin x minus 4 j bar plus 3x z square plus 2 k bar, equating I bar coefficients on both sides. Left side dou phi by dou x, right side y square cos x plus z cube, integrating partially with respect to x. Integration of derivative cancel. Phi is equal to integral y square cos x plus z cube into dx. So y square constant, integral cos x dx, z cube constant, integral dx. Y square integral cos x is sin x, z integral dx is x z cube plus arbitrary function is a f is a function of y comma z. Therefore phi is equal to y square sin x plus x z cube plus f of y z 1. Now equating j bar coefficients on both sides. Left side dou phi by dou y is equal to right side 2y sin x minus 4, integrating partially with respect to y. Integration of derivative cancel. Phi is equal to integral 2y sin x minus 4 dy. With respect to y, 2 sin x constant, integral y dy 4 constant, integral dy is equal to 2 sin x integral dy y square by 2 minus 4y plus g of xz or some arbitrary function g of xz 2 cancel. Phi is equal to y square sin x minus 4y plus g xz. Second one, equating k bar coefficients on both sides. Left side dou phi by dou z is equal to 3x z square plus 2. Integrating partially with respect to z. Integration derivative cancel. We get phi is equal to integral 3x z square plus 2 dz. 3x constant, integral z square dz. 2 constant, integral dz. 3x z square integration z cube by 3 x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. 2z, 3 cancel, x z cube. Read here some function of xy with respect to z. We get some arbitrary function of h of xy. So phi is equal to xz cube plus 2z plus h of xy. 3 from 1, 2, 3 we get, from 1, 2, 3 we get phi is equal to, from 1 y square sin x is there, in second one also y square sin x 2 times is there, so you write 1 time y square sin x. Next xz cube 2 times is there, write 1 time xz cube. Next minus 4y, only 1 time is there, write minus 4y. Next 2z, only 1 time is there, plus 2z. This is the way of writing the phi. Now work done means line integral. Work done means line integral. Integral points 0, 1, minus 1 to pi by 2, minus 1, 2. F bar dot dr bar. This is nothing but integral 0, 1, minus 1, 2, pi by 2, minus 1, 2. F bar dot dr bar is d phi. Integral d phi, phi 0, 1, minus 1, 2, pi by 2, minus 1, 2. What is your phi? What is your phi? Phi is y square sin x plus xz cube, xz cube minus 4y plus 2z. 0, 1, minus 1, 2, pi by 2, minus 1, 2. Now substitute upper limit. Instead of x you write pi by 2. Instead of y you write minus 1. Instead of z you write 2. So y square 1, minus 1 whole square 1. Sin pi by 2. Sin 0, 0, sin pi by 2 1. So this is 1 xz cube. Pi by 2 into 2 cube 8. Pi by 2 into 8 minus 4y, minus and minus plus 4, 2z plus 4. This is upper limit minus lower limit. Sin 0, 0, x 0, 0. Here y1 minus 4. Here z is minus 1, minus 2. This is equal to 4 pi plus 9 plus 6, 4 pi plus 15. Problem 41. Problem 41. Fluid motion is given by fluid motion is given by V bar is equal to AX I bar plus AY J bar minus 2AZ K bar. First bit, Is it possible to find out? Is it possible to find out the velocity potential? The velocity potential. If so, find it. If so, find it. Second bit. Is the motion possible for an incompressible fluid solution given V bar is equal to AXI bar plus AYJ bar minus 2AZ K bar. Del cross V bar, first row I bar, J bar, K bar. Second row dou by dou X, dou by dou Y, dou by dou Z. Third row I bar, J bar, K bar coefficients of V bar. AX, AY minus 2AZ. Expanding I bar, deleting first row, first column. Dou by dou Y of minus 2AZ minus dou by dou Z of AY minus J bar, deleting first row, second column. Dou by dou X of minus 2AZ minus dou by dou Z of AX plus K bar, deleting first row, third column. Dou by dou X AY minus dou by dou Y AX is equal to I bar with respect to Y constant derivative 0, with respect to Z AY constant derivative 0 minus J bar with respect to X constant derivative 0, with respect to Z constant derivative 0 plus K bar with respect to X AY constant derivative 0, with respect to Y AX constant derivative 0, nothing but 0. Del cross V bar is equal to 0. Therefore V bar is irrotational fluid motion. V bar is irrotational fluid motion. In case of irrotational field, V bar can be expressed as gradient of velocity potential phi, that is V bar is equal to del phi. Del phi is equal to V bar. I bar dou phi by dou X plus J bar dou phi by dou Y plus K bar dou phi by dou Z is equal to V bar is AXI bar plus AYJ bar minus 2AZ K bar, equating I bar coefficients both sides, left side dou phi by dou X, right side AX, integrating partially with respect to X. Integration of derivative cancel. Phi is equal to integral AX dx, a constant, x integration x square by 2 plus some function of yz, arbitrary function of yz. So phi is equal to ax square by 2 plus f of yz. This is the one. Equating j bar coefficients on both sides. Left side dou phi by dou y is equal to right side ay. Integrating partially with respect to y. Integration of derivative cancel. So phi is equal to integral ay dy. A constant y square by 2 plus g of xz arbitrary function. Therefore phi is equal to ay square by 2 plus g of xz. 2. Equating k bar coefficients on both sides. Equating k bar coefficients on both sides. Left side dou phi by dou z. Right side minus 2az. Integrating partially with respect to z. Derivative integration cancel. Phi is equal to integral minus 2az dz is equal to minus 2a z square by 2 plus h of xy. So phi is equal to 2 cancel minus a z square plus h of xy. Third one from 1 comma 2 comma 3 we get phi is equal to from 1 ax square by 2 is there only one time. From 2 ay square by 2 is there only one time. Here minus az square is there, which is the required velocity potential. This is first bit answer. Second bit, divergence v bar is equal to dou by dou x of I bar coefficient ax plus dou by dou y of j bar coefficients ay plus dou by dou z of k bar coefficient minus 2az. So ax derivative a into x derivative 1 a plus a into y derivative 1 a minus 2a z derivative 1. So 2a minus 2a 0. So divergence v bar is equal to 0 means v bar satisfies equation of continuity. Therefore v bar satisfies equation of continuity. So the motion possible for an incompressible fluid. Suppose del dot v bar not equal to 0, the motion is not possible for an incompressible fluid. That is the meaning.